While I am uploading a video last day, I have encountered a problem uploading a custom thumbnail. You can see I tried to upload a thumbnail for the last one of my video. But unfortunately, I have encountered an error called unexpected end of json input. So to skip this, we have to head toward YouTube Studio Beta by clicking leave button from here, and it will redirect us to YouTube Studio Beta version, which is the newest version of YouTube. So head towards videos, and later you can see visibility of this video is under draft. So simply click on this video and later try to upload the custom thumbnail from here. Now it's work. Now click on save. Now you can see with this simple trick we can skip that error like that. So I advise you to use Studio Beta version instead of old version. So hope you like this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit like this video.